So Eric, who's Emote's founder, feels like he has to educate the market right now on the benefits of journaling. And so that's making him unsure if he should start charging now or later.
Mm. I wonder if those questions are somewhat disjoint, right? Like, even if you try to charge later, you will have a bit of a growth problem, which is I mean, this is this general problem for all internet products that are kind of spinach products, where it's kind of good for you, not particularly enjoyable. I happen to love spinach, but you get the idea. Um, how do you propel people to do them? I think online education struggles with this a lot. All the gym accountability apps, and journaling certainly seems to fit that bucket. Again, we can just like look at what successful models are. And so, there's the whole gamification route, which we won't re-explore here. You could look at Strava or Duolingo for that, or hope, Pioneer aspirationally. The other approach is to just showcase really great examples of what happens when you successfully journal. Like I really think the pitch of, I don't know who it would be, but like Lance Armstrong journals every day, and Michael Schumacher journals every day, or whatever your goals are. I think those could be quite good. Now, if you could get those people to actually use your product, that would be really, really, really great too. So that you may want to think, if you're building this style of company, you kind of have to operate initially on a deeper kind of cultural substrate before advancing to like actual distribution and growth, and just how you position it and how you make it really exciting. I guess Tony Robbins is really the art of this. He'll tell you, like, if you want to trade like, the best trader in the world, insert name here, then you should, do this difficult thing. So you may want to take a page out of that book. That's really just for the landing page maybe, and for your ads. In terms of charging, I definitely would. Like, I think you kind of have a very clear product roadmap if it turns out people really want this. So often you don't want to charge when you just really need to get feedback from people on, whether they want it or what variant of it they want. And, there's things around the edge you can fix here, maybe making the prompts a bit more gamified, whatever, analytics, a bunch of stuff built out here, which is neat. I think it'd be quite helpful to charge people so that you could buy traffic, which I suspect you'll need. I think it'll be really hard to grow this organically unless you build some great viral feature, which is hard because journaling seems like a fundamentally private activity, maybe a leaderboard